New day, new leaks of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Yesterday, we saw the hands-on and first look of the Z Fold 6. Today, I have some more live leaks of Z Fold 6. The rumor mill has been in overdrive recently, aiming to spoil any surprises Samsung has planned for its upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event. The latest leak offers a sneak peek at what appears to be an actual Galaxy Z Fold 6 unit. Ice Universe posted the photo on his Twitter account and says, "The next fold." This insight comes from a recently leaked image. Although only the top portion of the phone is visible, it doesn't reveal much detail. However, it does reinforce the notion that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will feature a flatter design with sharper edges and corners compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Additionally, the phone seems to sport a wider cover screen. This might be due to the photo's angle, but numerous hints suggest that Samsung is indeed opting for a slightly larger cover display on the next fold. The image appears to support this speculation. Ice Universe shared some more live leaks recently. Leaks suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will draw design inspiration from rival foldable devices, and a recently surfaced photo seems to support this notion. Shared by the well-known leaker Ice Universe, the image offers a glimpse of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer screen. Reportedly, this screen is both wider and sharper compared to that of the Fold 5. Although the photo doesn't reveal extensive details, it does indicate that the cover display has become wider. According to one leak, the screen width will increase from 57mm to over 60mm, making it more comparable to the design of the OnePlus Open. This modification aims to please consumers who prefer a more functional external display. Ice Universe has also mentioned that the phone will feature symmetrical bezels, though it's challenging to ascertain from the photo if these bezels will be slimmer. Previous leaks suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will have sharper corners than the Galaxy Z Fold 5. However, since the current image only shows part of the screen, the phone's edges remain unseen. Ice Universe has been gradually unveiling information about the Fold 6. Another user posted the new and recently leaked photo of Ice Universe and says it's confirmed that Z Fold 6 will have a design like the OnePlus Open. What do you think? Recently, we saw the first glimpse of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. Now the same source has posted the renders of the Z Fold 6 when unfolded. A Twitter user named Ellie has posted this new render of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, highlighting the changes compared to the Galaxy Fold 5. According to Ellie, the differences between the Fold 6 and Fold 5 are subtle yet significant. The Fold 6 is a bit shorter and wider. The bezels are the same size, but the edges are squared off. What do you think about these new renders? Now let's talk about the hands-on and first look of the Z Fold 6. The same source has posted the first live look of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. In this photo, we can see how the front screen of the Fold 6 looks like. Keep in mind that it's not an actual device. It's a dummy unit, according to the ex-user Ali. According to the Ali, apparently a Fold 6 dummy unit. Found on Korean forum, I don't know how accurate is this. Not just this, Ali posted 2 more photos today. This time, we have the live photos of Z Fold 6 dummy while the phone is unfolded. Ali said, "This appears to be the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The squared edges create a notable difference, and the slightly shorter but wider inner screen gives it a distinct look compared to the Fold 5. What do you think about this first live look of the Z Fold 6? I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments section. A tipster has shared a photo that appears to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Now reliable leaker Ice Universe has posted a photo that seems to show one of the rear cameras intended for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design and doesn't specify any details about the specs, we doubt Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Ice Universe recently mentioned that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will feature a less visible crease compared to the Fold 5, although the crease will still be present. Also, according to details shared by tipster Ice Universe in a post on X, Samsung could be preparing to launch the successor to the handset in the coming months, featuring a wider display and sharper corners. The tipster leaked an image of 2 screen protectors, one for the Galaxy Fold 5 and the other for the purported Galaxy Z Fold 6. While the cover screen on the former measures 57.4mm wide, the screen protector for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 suggests that the outer screen will be slightly wider this year at 60.2mm. This indicates that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will feature a wider aspect ratio compared to its predecessor. Another notable difference between the 2 foldable phones is the edges of the cover screens. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 features rounded corners, while the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is depicted with much sharper edges, reminiscent of the corners on the flagship Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Additionally, the screen protector for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 suggests that the phone's outer display will have thinner bezels at the top and bottom. Samsung is finally fixing a big problem that people have complained about with their foldable phones, according to the most prolific tipster in the Leakster Ice universe. Although the creases are not completely eliminated, according to testers, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 does reduce the creases. On phones like the OnePlus Open, you can hardly see the crease at all, while on Samsung's Z Fold phones, it's pretty obvious. But Samsung hasn't been trying super hard to get rid of the crease completely. Most people who use the Z Fold don't really mind the crease that much. It can look kind of bad in pictures, but when you're actually using the phone, it's not a big deal for most people most of the time. Still, the crease might become even less of a problem with the Z Fold 6. A report from Korean media The Elect suggests that Samsung plans to use a thicker ultra-thin glass UTG for the foldable display on the Z Flip 6. The new UTG is rumored to be 50 microns thick, which is thicker than the 30 microns used in the Z Flip 5. This thicker glass is expected to reduce the visibility of the crease on the foldable screen and enhance the display's durability. Samsung made efforts to minimize the visibility of the crease on its current foldable phones. These upgrades could help reduce the visibility of the crease and potentially allow for slimmer bezels around the display. A recent development sheds light on Samsung's chipset strategy for these upcoming foldable devices. Earlier rumors suggested that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 might be Samsung's first foldable phones to adopt a dual-chip strategy similar to the Galaxy S series. This means these devices could potentially be equipped with an Exynos chip in certain markets and a Snapdragon SoC in others. A new report suggests otherwise. Anonymous sources cited by the Korean publication The Elect claim that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 will exclusively use a Qualcomm solution. Both phones are expected to be equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip worldwide. According to the report, Samsung's decision to use a single chip globally for the Galaxy Z6 series is unrelated to any concerns about the performance or reliability of the Exynos 2400's SoC. Even though most people still prefer Qualcomm solutions due to the brand's reputation, Samsung's latest Exynos 2400 chip has significantly narrowed the gap with Qualcomm. In real-world performance, the Galaxy S24 powered by the Exynos 2400 chip performs comparably to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 variant. But regardless of opinions about Exynos, Samsung's alleged decision to stick with a Qualcomm's SoC globally for the Galaxy Z6 series is driven by cost considerations rather than performance and reliability concerns. As Samsung prepares for the highly anticipated launch of its 6th-generation foldable devices, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6, at Unpacked 2024 in July, new reports suggest that the event might surprise you with the pricing of these devices. With numerous speculations swirling around the much-hyped event, it's hard to pinpoint which predictions are most accurate, especially with conflicting news emerging frequently. However, the latest report appears to provide exclusive information specifically about the Galaxy Z series. Earlier reports suggested Samsung's major event would be on July 10th, but it now appears it will be on July 24th, likely due to their sponsorship of the Summer Olympics. Samsung might announce the devices on July 10th and release them on the 24th. A major update from a source indicates a price increase of $100 for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6, despite no significant hardware improvements and a 50-megapixel main camera for the Flip. The price hike is possibly due to the exclusive use of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in both devices. On a positive note, the Galaxy Ring, the first smart ring, might be launched at the event. Whether these claims are accurate or not remains to be seen. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.